First, log into your account on our EMR login page. Then enter your practice ID, username, and password. Now you're inside the physician's dashboard. Let's navigate to the telemedicine platform. Hover over Telemedicine in the blue menu bar, and then click on Connect. Or you can click this telemedicine icon. Either way, it will bring you to the telemedicine platform. On the left side of your dashboard, you will see how many appointments you have scheduled for today. You'll see the number of people who didn't show up, and the number of patients that are ready to join their telemedicine appointment. Lastly, you'll see the number of people you've already seen today. This green Online button means you are ready and available to begin a telehealth session. If you'd like to stay on the dashboard, but change your status to unavailable, click here to switch to an offline status. Now, here's a detailed list of scheduled appointments. If you'd like to see a detailed list of completed appointments, click on this green Scheduled button. If for any reason you would like to edit a previous patient encounter, click on Open Encounter and make your changes. If you would like to view previous chat messages with the patient, click here. Here you can view a log of the entire session with the patient. If you'd like to reconnect with the patient again, click here to send invite. To invite a patient for an appointment, click on this top right button, Invite Patient. You can search any patient in your database. Then, depending on the patient's device preference, you can send a join link through email or text message. Let's send a text message. If your patient would like it sent to a different phone number, you can enter that here. Then click Send. When you close this window, you'll see the telemedicine dashboard. Now, you can use this refresh button to update your view of scheduled appointments. That way you don't need to refresh the browser. Once your patient receives the appointment link on their smartphone, tablet, or computer, all they need to do is click on it and a new browser will open. Then your telemedicine dashboard will show that this patient is ready to join. To start the session, all you need to do is click on this camera icon. Now your call is connected. You will see the physician camera box, which can be moved anywhere you'd like on the screen. Here you can mute yourself so the patient cannot hear you. And here, you can hide your video so the patient cannot see you. Here, you can also mute the patient. If you'd like to make the video screen larger, click on these three lines. On the top right bar, you will see a timer, tracking the length of the session. Here is the End Session button to end the current appointment. If you experience any problems with your call, click here to report any issues and EHI's support team will assist you. This chat feature allows you to easily send any information to your patient, such as a phone number. The patient will receive this information as a text message. If the patient replies, you will see their reply in the chat box. Here you can send prescriptions. To add a new prescription, click on Add New Drug. The Send Invite feature allows you to invite anyone, such as a colleague or a patient family member, to join the current appointment. Let's say you'd like to invite a colleague to join the session. You can enter your colleague's email or phone number and click Send. Once your colleague clicks on the link, their screen will automatically pop up. By clicking on the video itself, you can toggle between which screen you'd like to be the largest. Your colleague can disconnect from the call at any time, and you can continue the session with the patient. During a telehealth session, you can click on Chart to view a patient's chart. While you are navigating the patient's chart, the patient can still see and hear you on their screen. Then click on Encounter. The current encounter will automatically populate as a telehealth consult. On the left, you can view the navigation menu and choose a category. Then you can fill in any information as you would during a regular encounter, such as chief complaint or history of presenting illness. Once you're finished with the patient's chart, you can click Save and Close Chart. This will bring you back to the telehealth dashboard. If you would like to share your screen with a patient, click on the Share Screen button. This may be helpful when showing a patient lab reports. You have a choice to share your entire screen, the application window, or a tab. Let's choose Share Entire Screen. Now the patient can see exactly what you're seeing. When you're finished sharing your screen, simply click Stop Sharing. If you'd like to take a screenshot during a telemedicine session, click on Take Screenshot. It will only take a picture of what's in a patient's window. This may be helpful if you need to record a photo of a rash or other physical condition. This picture will save to your computer to be used for documentation.